Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video we're gonna solve the maximum product of two numbers. Means this is our first problem of Amazon interview question. Given an array with all elements greater than or equal to 0, return the maximum product of two numbers possible. So suppose you have the list of array and you have to find the two maximum numbers. So in this array there are 142 are maximum numbers. So the output is 4200. So you have to multiply in this both numbers. So let's go to your IntelliJ IDE and type main method and first of all I increased something size. So in this question there are one input statement. So first of all we will read what they ask about how to achieve our question. The first line of input contains an integer t denoting the number of test cache. Means how many tasks you have to perform in the program. It's execute first time. So first is test cache. So first of all you go and make a scanner for user input. So new scanner system dot in and int t test cache equal to so dot next int and terminate. And next you have to perform the first line of each test cache in n size of array. The second line of each test cache contains array elements. Okay, so you have to make n elements for storing size of array. So I am using while loop t less than 0, sorry t greater than 0, test cache, and in the inner part you have to write int n equal to number of size so dot next int. So why I am using this loop? If suppose test cache will be 2, the loop will begin 2 times. That's why I am using while loop. Okay, so we write our number of size and then we want one array. Then we want array for storing the n numbers. Okay, int array a equal to new int and number of size. Okay, so in this line we are storing the n numbers of elements in array list. Then we want one for loop I equal to 0, I less than number of size and I plus plus. So in this loop we are using given one condition from 0 to n numbers, means loop will begin 0 to n numbers. Okay, and then you have to perform one task a array I equal to so dot next int terminate. So in this loop what we are doing, If suppose test case will be 1, number of size will be 5, so in this loop we will print 5 elements. They are storing in array like 10, 20, 9, 39, 49 and 49. So the okay, so I am giving this integer values in storing array. So I am using arrays of short and a. So I am sorting this array A. Why? Because the elements are insorted, means if we are using this method sort, the elements arrange this type 20, 40 and last 50. So the elements are arranging in ascending orders, and then we are writing our logic. Int p equal to a n minus 1 into a n minus 2 and terminate, and then print p. So what is the logic? Logic is this: if suppose a is array, n is n equal to 5 because size of elements, okay, so then n5 minus 1 is 4, means index value is 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is 50. So fourth value is 50. And then this n5 minus 2 is 3. 0, 1, 2, 3 means 40. Third value is 40. And then you have to multiply 50 into 40 equal to 200. Okay, so why giving me error? No. Sorry guys, there is no n, number of size minus 1 and number of size. Okay, so our program is ready. Let's run it. Go and run. Take time, and here we go. 3, 2, 1, boom. So first is number of test case 1 and size of array 5, and let's write 50, 10, 59, 20 and 6. The answer is 2950. Okay, so I hope you understand this concept and question. So can I debug? And also you use this line with addition. Suppose I will change with plus, so you also use with addition, subtraction, all kinds of using, like divide also you use. So I am running with plus, addition, and write 1, 5 array, 50, 40, 10, 20, 20 and 90. Okay, so I hope you understand this concept what we are doing, and I will explain to you one more time. So in the first line we are using scanner for user input, then test case, how many test case you have to perform, then while loop, the looping is performed 2 times. If you are given 2 times, execute 2 times, n numbers of elements, then storing in array, then printing the numbers. And you also do one thing, if you don't understand the concept SUT and A, just simple. So what this line do, simply see, at print, I think you are sorting arrays of list. First test case, 5 elements, 10, 20, 50, 9, 3, 70. I think array, I think best thing is array I. No, I hope you understand. I'm don't changing my program. If your code is working, don't touch it. Okay, thank you guys. So keep subscribe and share my video.